Now this is the fun, messy part. You are going to take your peanut butter. Remember, smooth works best because it's easier to put peanut butter on. And you're going to spread it all over your paper towel holder. So if you get some on your fingers, just lick your fingers as long as they're clean before you started. But you just want to swish it around just like this. Make it nice and thick. Nice and thick for your birds. You're going to take it and roll it. I think you guys can see that. You want to just roll it in your seeds until all the peanut butter spots have seeds on them. And then you're going to pick it up and you go outside and you hang it on your tree and the birds will love it. Yeah. So can you tell me what is one of your favorite things about today's lesson? Of course. What do you guys think his favorite thing about today's lesson was? The craft. Of course it was the craft because you love peanut butter and you love birdseed, don't you? Yeah, he'll probably eat that before I even get it outside.